As usual, God bless everyone in this lovely world. We're all going to the same place, brothers and sisters. So we might as well be nice to each other. Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with another lovely prize, one of our favourites. This is a 1974 Kawasaki H2B. So it's your two-stroke triple 750cc monster with the Higgspeed pipes on it. This sounds incredible. This one is being drawn on the, I have forgotten, 25th of May at 9 PM, which is a Sunday, and tickets are £2.99 as usual. So what I'll do now, we'll show you how to start it. Nice video for the winner, so they can reference this if they ever forget how to start for some reason. You guys can see what it sounds like, or hear what it sounds like. It sounds very nice. So yeah, overall really nice condition. Looks like a recent restoration, really nice guards. It's got this lovely candy green paint, which you don't see too often on older Kawasaki's. A lot of these are in like purple, blue, some gold, but obviously Kawasaki green is a nice colour for a Kawasaki. So you don't actually need battery to start this. I guess it's got some sort of point system. So we'll turn that on anyway, so it needs to be on. It's on. This is a vacuum tap, so we'll put it on prime. And we also have a starter lever here, which we'll just push over there when we kick it, and make sure it's on run at the switch there. And even though it's a 750, it shares the compression between all the cylinders, so it's not ridiculously hard to start. You know, it is a big engine to kick over. So we'll just hold our starter lever over, get it up a bit, make sure it's on run. Oh, I'll show you it's cold as well. I always forget that bit. It's cold. It's quite easy to start, if you can hear me. It's quite a loud bike. So it's Higgspeed. Not many bikes that you'll get more attention on than this. It sounds awesome. The carbs have been set up really well. We just had it serviced and checked over, and it's a really usable example. It doesn't surge too much. I'm doing on the sign language because it's very loud, so I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know if this sign language is correct or not, but yeah, really nice bike. So I was saying, really nice bike, really well set up, doesn't surge. Carbs are set up as well as they can be on one of these. They are quite a surgy bike, but this is as good as we can get it. So it's one of the better ones that we've had in. Really nice, usable bike, and lovely condition, as you can see. So yeah, if you like your big 750 two strokes, this is the sort of bike you'd like. And if you do enter, good luck. And we'll be calling you soon, the winner, whoever that is. Exciting times. What a beautiful machine.